This creamy chicken is very easy to make. The taste is simply amazing. Best of all, it is 100% diabetes-friendly. Let's get started. You can see all the ingredients on the screen. Take 3 chicken breasts and slice each one horizontally into thin pieces. In a mixing bowl, add 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon mustard, 1.5 level tablespoons curry powder, 1 teaspoon salt, and finally half a cup of milk. Whisk everything until well combined. Add the chicken slices and coat every piece well with the marinade. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap and place it in the refrigerator. Marinate for at least 6 hours and up to 24 hours. The marinating is done, so it's time to cook. Heat a pan over medium heat and add 1 tablespoon olive oil. Place the chicken pieces in the pan and cook them for 2 minutes on each side. Then cover the pan and cook for another 8 minutes. Add 200 milliliters of cream and stir well. Leave the lid off and cook for 5 more minutes until the sauce thickens slightly. In just a few minutes, your meal is ready. Serve the chicken on a plate with some salad. Spoon about 2 tablespoons of the remaining sauce over the chicken. The marinade makes the meat incredibly tender, and the creamy sauce gives it a rich and delicious flavor. Enjoy your meal. Now let's look at the glycemic values of this serving. The plate contains about 260 grams of chicken. 1 serving has about 2.3 grams net carbs. Almost all of them come from the sauce. The glycemic load is just 0.4. What does that mean? Let's see it on the glycemic response graph. Because the glycemic load is very low, those 2.3 grams net carbs enter the bloodstream slowly and in a limited amount. That is why this meal has only a very small effect on blood sugar. That's all for today. Follow us for more low-carb and diabetes-friendly recipes. Please subscribe, like this video, leave a comment, and share it with others. Your support means a lot to us. See you in the next recipe. Take care and stay healthy.